So this is our break room for our guys, office staff, and guys that have a break between jobs or have free time. This is the loud break room. We have another break room that is a quiet break room, but this is a loud break room for people to have fun, talk shit, whatever they want to do. We have TV here. We got a massage chair. We have this beautiful coffee, hot chocolate machine that has, top of the line one. It doesn't get any better than this Keurig machine. All the cups, everything here is something that we offer our guys.